Hello, welcome to the simulation of a video report. The plant disease that I collected was found on the main hiking trail at the Arboretum in Lexington, Kentucky. The plant is a pawpaw tree, and I recognize it by looking at the fruits and also the leaf, which has a teardrop shape. The pawpaw tree is also known as Asimina triloba. I confirmed the identity of the plant by looking it up on the PlantNet app. So on your left-hand side, you can see a healthy leaf, which looks very smooth, completely green, and had no spots. And on your right-hand side, you can see a sick leaf, which has some round spots covered almost all the leaf. And on the center, it's tan, and it has dark borders too. So using my hand lens, I found this sign of disease. I found some black specks in the center, and these black specks contain the spores of the fungus. So by using the hand lens, I noticed those spots in details, and I also drew what I found there. So I drew all the black specks that I could see. So what made me think that the plant was sick? First of all, I saw the discoloration of the leaves, which are the leaf spots. I also found leaf distortion on some of the leaves, and the pathogen structures that are the masses of spores, which is which is a characteristic of a biotic disease. So this is the step-by-step diagnosis. First, I observed the symptoms and the evidence of the pathogen. So the symptoms were discoloration of the leaves and leaf distortion, and the evidence were the black specks. I also took some photos, generic photos, and the symptoms in details, and I took notes of my observations. After that, I met with a plant pathologist to see and find reliable sources for my hypothesis. And the references that we used were the fact sheet by the Ohio State University and this database, which has pictures of diseases, and it's a reliable source, which is invasive.org. So in this Ohio State University fact sheet, I found the description of the disease, and I found that the description matched completely with the symptoms I observed. I found this picture too, so I compared it to my pictures. And I found that this border leaf spot is a very common symptom on leaves of pawpaw trees. So disease diagnosis is very important because by knowing the culprit, what is causing the disease, we can then find better ways to control the disease. And plant pathologists are experts because they have the background in plant science. They also have the expertise, the experience, and also they have the skills to deal and solve problems related to plant diseases. So one thing that I learned about the career in plant pathology is that how the plant pathologist became interested in the area, in the field. So he told me by giving an example of corn that plants surround us all. And corn, for example, is a very common crop and it feeds animals and are very important to our economy. So the conclusion is the symptoms and signs are consistent with border leaf spot, which is caused by the fungus Phyllostichta asimini. Thank you so much.